I know you are thinking, how is this going to work? Because I had that exact same thought myself, but just watch, I'm going to do a demonstration and show you exactly how it works. Hey, it's Emily Louise Hamilton here from the Amazon Dream. We are in the thick of Q4 right now, and there is one recurring question that keeps being asked, and that is, how do you polybag large items like toys? The reason this question is prevalent right now is because generally there are two types of items that Amazon specifically asks to be polybagged, and these are liquid items and also certain types of toys. And as we are in Q4, there are a lot of toys being sold right now. It is crucial that if you use the method in this video that you watch until the end. This is so you get all the information needed to ensure that you meet Amazon's requirements. Additionally, there will also be a downloadable PDF for everybody who stays until the end. So what is a polybag? A polybag is used in order to protect your items, and this is what an Amazon compliant polybag looks like. So it is clear, and because it has a 5-inch opening or wider, it needs to have a suffocation label. This particular bag has the suffocation label printed on it. However, you can also print your own suffocation label and affix it to the polybag. So if you're a fan of polybagging items to protect your products, smash that thumbs up button. If you're buying a product in store, it's relatively easy to identify if a product needs polybagging. You simply scan it with the Amazon Sellers app, and on the right hand side, if it does require polybagging, an icon with a box will appear. If you are purchasing products online, what you can do is check the profitability of that item using BuyBot Pro. Once you've input your buy price, the ASIN for that product will appear. If you suspect that an item may be required to be prepared in a certain way, what you can do is type the ASIN into the Amazon Sellers app, and then it will tell you if the item needs to be polybagged, bubble wrapped or taped. I only do this with items that I suspect already that will require polybagging. Doing this enables me to prepare my products prior to creating the shipping plan, as it makes the process of putting the shipment together so much more simple. It's actually relatively easy to find small and medium-sized polybags that meet Amazon's requirements on Amazon itself. I will actually link some good quality ones that are inexpensive down below in the description box. So you may be thinking, why are there so many queries about how to polybag large items? That is because it's near on impossible to find extra large polybags that meet Amazon's requirements. So there are two solutions I will be providing with you today about how to polybag large items like toys. So the first way is to save any large polybags that have come on other products that Amazon hasn't specifically asked to be polybags. This is an example of a large polybag that I got from a previous item. This polybag was actually from an item at IKEA, and as you can see, it's definitely large enough to fit in a large item that is too big to fit into your standard small and medium-sized polybags. Just for reference, this is one of the largest polybags you can get on Amazon, and this is the large polybag that was from the IKEA item. So the second option is the one that was shared by Eamon in the Amazon FBA Dream Facebook group. Admittedly, I was a bit wary of trying this option, but now I have used it numerous times to great effect. So for this method, you will need your product that requires polybagging. You will need some household cling film and some suffocation labels. I will actually put a template of this suffocation label in the description box down below so you can print it out. I will also link to some pre-made labels which you can easily purchase off Amazon. I know you are thinking, how is this going to work? Because I had that exact same thought myself, but just watch, I'm going to do a demonstration and show you exactly how it works. Okie dokie, so get your cling film and simply begin wrapping it around the product. And once you have it, you just simply rub it, and it actually just seals itself. So I have now cling filmed the actual product. It is fully sealed and protected. It actually looks like it's been shrink wrapped.
Amazon states items can either be polybagged or shrink wrapped, providing the material does not protrude more than 3 inches past the dimensions of the product.
Then the next step is to add on your suffocation label, and there you have it. You now have your product which has been wrapped and prepared in a way that meets Amazon's requirements. There is also a third way in which you can prepare your large items, and that is to ask Amazon to prepare them for you. However, they do charge a fee for this. Additionally, it will take much longer for your products to be checked into Amazon. And finally, there have been reports that sellers have paid Amazon to prep their items, and when they have actually done a removal order to take their products out of the Amazon fulfillment center, they've actually found out that Amazon charged them but did not prep their items with a poly bag.